So I thought I'd take a trip over to the Cotswold Airport at Kemble to see what all the fuss was about. There must be a dozen or more jumbo jets, that's Boeing 747s, parked up there, but that's just an estimate. The first jumbo jets went into service with Pan American Airways in 1970, and they were due to stay flying until 2014, but due to COVID and the lack of passengers now, they decided to take them all out of service. My visitors are always pretty astonished when they see planes running like this right in the middle of the Cotswolds. But basically, this is a private airfield, and there are a number of businesses here. One of them is a recycling business. So basically what they do is break up the aircraft and recycle the aluminium and anything else that they can actually manage to recycle and sell. The last jumbo to fly is supposed to have landed here a few days ago, and my idea is, why the hell don't they keep one of them and turn it into a restaurant or something so as people can visit and remember what they were like. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this.